Hello, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will show you how you can download 1% Club TV Show application. It's a really short and simple video, so make sure to stick till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up a Play Store or App Store on your device, and there search for 1% Club. Once you found the app, tap on install button, and then this app will start to download and install to your device. And there you go, you have downloaded and installed 1% Club app on your device. And once that app gets downloaded and installed, you will find this app on your home screen like this. Now that was the quick and easy video on how you can download 1% Club app on your device. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.